Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're taking a look at the modding kit from SKXMOD for the Casio AE1200 that is also compatible with the AE1300. And while we're at it, we'll check out the AE1200 as a watch itself, since I never featured it on my channel, but I have its rounded brother, the AE1000. If you want to check that video out, click on the link in the corner of the screen. I'll also be doing a full tutorial on this module, so when that becomes available, you'll be able to click yet another link to check that one out. SKXMOD offers a wide selection of modding kits for Seiko, Casio, and even an all-metal mod for Apple iWatch. This time around, they sent me the kit for the now famous Casio Royale. The kit can be had in two stages. The kit without the module for $99 in case you already own the AE1200 or 1300, and a complete kit with the module for $159 if you don't own the original and don't want to be bothered buying one. In both cases, you get everything you need to assemble the watch, and I mean everything, from the tools and gasket all the way to the screws for the case back. If you order the $99 kit, you don't get the case back, as the original Casio one fits the case, meaning all the original inscriptions will be there. The assembly is pretty straightforward, as I showed in my unboxing and assembly video, and the only thing you have to watch out for are the fact you have to use the supplied thicker gasket and supplied shorter screws, as the stock ones do not work with the steel case. Now for the mod itself. It transforms the watch completely, especially when it comes to heft and on-wrist feel. The original, even if you buy a metal-looking one, is completely made of plastic, while the bracelet is made with folded sheets of metal. On this, the case is a single piece of milled-out steel that has been bead blasted and coated with scratch-resistant layer. And even the stock-looking inscriptions, World Time and Illuminator, are engraved rather than just painted. Speaking of them, you can choose whether you want them to paint the engravings like on this one or leave it unpainted. The bracelet, on the other hand, is made with solid links held with screws, with only the clasp being stamped like on the original. While the bracelet is much better than the original, I would urge SKXMOD to upgrade the clasp as well, as the watch does miss some heft under your wrist to balance it out. They already said they are willing to upgrade the clasp if people show interest, so make sure to write them about it. Another thing they should change is the finishing. While the case is bead blasted and finished, the bracelet is completely brushed, creating a clash and even difference in color. They should also blast the bracelet or brush the case to get more design uniformity. Other than that, I really like this kit. Like I said, the heft makes a huge difference in the way you perceive the watch. It no longer feels like a plastic toy, but a serious one. Another major upgrade is the fact that this comes with a sapphire instead of the easy-to-scratch acrylic of the original. This means you will have this looking like new much longer than the original, with one unexpected benefit: screen clarity. I cannot explain in words how much crispier and cleaner the already excellent screen looks now. You have a feeling you can reach inside the watch and touch the numerals. That's how clear and focused they look. It took me by surprise and made this one of the most legible digital watches I ever saw. I would say that upgrade alone is worth it and outweighs all the issues I mentioned earlier. As for the watch itself, there is a reason it is so popular. The screen layout is very retro future, as I like to say, with a dedicated map display for the time zones, a radar-looking analog display that always displays your home time no matter what time zone you're tracking or what function you're using, which is always a bonus among Casio lovers. Usually, when Casio dedicates a watch for a certain function, like this one is for world time, other functions get a penalty of some sort, like a 60-minute stopwatch or a 60-minute countdown timer settable in 1-minute increments. But with this, they simply give you everything in a package that is very affordable. So a true 24-hour stopwatch and a 24-hour countdown timer settable down to a second. You also get 5 alarms and a world time function with 4 pre-selected time zones visible from the main timekeeping screen with an easy on-the-fly switch between home time and world time. All that makes the stock watch a beast function-wise, but not so much construction-wise, while this kit gives this watch the construction and build quality it deserves, while keeping the original water resistance and easy-to-press buttons. If you're thinking about upgrading your AE1200 or never wanted the Casio Royale because it felt dainty, now you have a solution that is also available in 3 colors: silver, gold, and black. And you can combine each one for every part of the watch to create a wilder creation than this almost stock-looking silver one. I hope to see a second generation kit with issues I mentioned fixed, as that would make a perfect Casio Royale. But even like this, it is well worth the price, at least to me, if nothing then for that screen clarity. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.